All Windows 11 users fall into this issue of automatic synchronization of files into OneDrive. Today, I will walk you through how to disable OneDrive automatic synchronization on Windows 11. So, if you are new to this channel, take a second of your time to click the subscribe button and the bell notification in order to be notified whenever we post a new video on this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, we thank you for supporting the channel. Not to waste a lot of time, let's get started. Open your File Explorer. Then you're going to see these icons here. Then right click on it. Once done, hang on to OneDrive, then click on Settings. You're going to have this pop-up. There are basically two ways in which we can open this pop-up. So the second way we can open it is by clicking on this little button here, which I'm going to click on Settings, the setting icon here, then open it. We'll still fall on it. So for us to disable the automatic synchronization, as you can see here, some synchronization is going. We just click on Account, then here you have Unlink this PC. I'll just click on Unlink this PC, then you have this pop-up which says Unlink account on this PC. Then I'll just going to click on Unlink PC. Wait for a while, we're going to have a little thing. Then here you find OneDrive asking us to connect an account to this PC. Then once we have this, we know that the account is deactivated. If this video was helpful to you, take a second of your time to click the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.